Deploying a robot is just the beginning. For long-term success, it's crucial to have ongoing maintenance, support, and optimization. Even the most advanced robotic systems can face downtime, reduced performance, or disruption without the right support. At Robot Center, we provide comprehensive support and maintenance services to ensure your systems stay reliable, efficient, and aligned with your business goals. Our approach combines proactive maintenance, responsive technical support, and on-site field service, ensuring your robotic systems deliver long-term value. Support and maintenance isn't just about fixing issues when they arise. It's about keeping your systems running smoothly and consistently over time. We focus on preventing problems before they occur, resolving issues quickly when they do, and ensuring optimal performance as your business grows. Our preventative maintenance services include routine system inspections, hardware checks, software updates, and performance monitoring. We identify potential issues early, reducing the risk of unexpected downtime and extending the lifespan of your equipment. By preventing disruptions, we help keep your operations running smoothly. When problems do occur, fast support is essential. Our technical support team offers remote troubleshooting, diagnostics, and guidance. If a problem can't be solved remotely, our field service team steps in for on-site diagnostics, repairs, component replacements, and system reconfigurations, ensuring that your systems get back on track quickly. Effective support translates to reduced downtime, improved performance, and systems that adapt to your business needs. Without proper support, businesses face unexpected outages, slow issue resolution, and difficulty scaling operations. We provide a reliable framework to prevent these challenges and ensure consistent system performance. Our services support a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, logistics, retail, hospitality, healthcare, and more. Whether it's a new deployment or an existing system, we work with you at every stage, from consultancy and integration to ongoing optimization and scaling across multiple sites. At Robot Center, we combine technical expertise with a real-world understanding of operations. Our goal is to reduce downtime, improve system reliability, and resolve issues quickly so your systems stay operational. If you want to ensure your robotic systems continue to perform at their best, structured support and maintenance are essential. Contact Robot Center today to learn how we can help optimize and maintain your systems for the long term.